When it comes to living a life filled with purpose and meaning, certain principles have endured through time. Today, I want to share with you timeless lessons inspired by the wisdom of Seneca, the Stoic philosopher, and my own experiences. These lessons can help you improve in all that you do, no matter what life throws at you. These principles aren't just relics of the past. They are beacons guiding us toward personal growth and resilience in the modern world. Whether you are well-versed in seeking wisdom or just beginning your journey, these lessons will inspire and guide you. So let's embark on this journey together, exploring Seneca's profound teachings through the lens of contemporary life. It's not about perfection, but continuous progress, and these lessons are the keys to a purposeful and resilient life. Fasten your seatbelts as we dive into this timeless wisdom. Remember, you have the power to apply these lessons in your daily life. Let's illuminate the path to becoming the best versions of ourselves. Number 1, seek challenges. Seneca understood the value of challenges. He knew that growth doesn't occur in comfort zones. Life often presents us with opportunities to step outside our comfort zones, and it's in these moments that we discover our true potential. Think about a challenge you've been avoiding. It could be a daunting new project at work, a physical fitness goal that feels out of reach, or a personal fear you've been reluctant to confront. Embrace it, seek it out, because that's where your true potential lies. Remember, in the crucible of challenge, greatness is forged. Number 2, choose your influences wisely. Seneca believed in surrounding himself with the right influences. While you can't choose your parents, you can certainly choose your friends and role models. Think about the people you spend the most time with. Are they inspiring, motivating, and uplifting you? Or do they drag you down and drain your energy? Make the conscious choice to be influenced by those who make you better. The company you keep is like the air you breathe. It has a profound impact on your well-being. Surround yourself with individuals who challenge you, support your growth, and lead by example. They will help you become the person you aspire to be. Number 3, focus on your response. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns. Seneca's lesson here is simple, but profound. It's not about what happens to you, but how you respond. Think about a recent setback or adversity you faced. Did you let it define you, or did you rise above it? Your response is your power. It's the canvas on which you paint the portrait of your life. In every situation, you have the ability to choose your response and shape the narrative. When life throws its curveballs, take a step back, breathe, and think about how you can respond with wisdom and strength. That's where true resilience is born. Number 4, say yes to what matters. In a world filled with distractions, it's essential to say yes to what truly matters. Every time you say yes to something, you're saying no to something else. Consider your daily choices. Are they aligned with your long-term goals and values? Prioritize the essential and eliminate the trivial. In the grand scheme of life, what truly matters is not the sheer quantity of tasks you complete, but the quality of the impact you create. Each yes is a commitment of your time and energy, so make sure you're dedicating yourself to endeavors that align with your purpose and values. Number 5, be a master of yourself. Self-discipline is the cornerstone of personal growth. Seneca's philosophy was all about mastering oneself. It's about taking control of your actions, emotions, and decisions. Being a master of yourself doesn't mean trying to control or manipulate others. It means being in charge of your own life. When faced with temptations or distractions, it's the power of self-discipline that keeps you on the path to your goals. It's the inner strength to say no to instant gratification in favor of long-term success. Remember, the power to master yourself is a skill that can be cultivated and refined over time. Number 6, protect your time. Time is our most precious resource, and once it's gone, you can't create more of it. Are you guarding your time like you guard your most valuable possession? Seneca's wisdom reminds us that we often squander our time on things that don't truly matter. Manage your time wisely, and you'll find more opportunities for growth and fulfillment. Consider this. How are you spending your time each day? Are you investing it in activities that align with your values and aspirations? Be mindful of the precious moments that make up your life. Learn to prioritize and allocate your time in a way that reflects what truly matters to you. Number 7, do the hard things. Seneca knew that greatness requires effort and resilience. He advocated treating the body rigorously, making it obedient to the mind. This concept applies not just to physical challenges, but also to mental and emotional ones. When you face difficulties, embrace them. It's through challenges that you discover your true strength. Whether it's the physical rigor of a demanding workout, the mental toughness needed to confront a difficult problem, or the emotional fortitude to navigate a challenging relationship, it's in these crucibles that you grow and evolve. So the next time you encounter a hard thing, lean into it and remind yourself that adversity is the forge where your character is tempered. Number 8, make others better. Seneca believed that making others better was a path to happiness. It's not about judgment or control. It's about being an inspiration and a positive influence. Consider the impact you have on those around you. Are you helping them become the best versions of themselves? By empowering and uplifting others, you not only contribute to their growth, but also elevate your own character. When you make the people around you better, you create a ripple effect of positivity that extends far beyond your immediate circle. It's a way of leaving a lasting legacy of goodness and inspiration in the world. Number 9, practice gratitude. Gratitude is a key component of a well-lived life. While Seneca didn't explicitly mention it, it's an essential aspect of Stoic philosophy. Take time every day to appreciate the things you have, from the simplest pleasures to the most significant achievements. Gratitude fosters contentment and resilience. When you acknowledge the blessings in your life, it's like filling your heart with light. Gratitude reminds you of the abundance that surrounds you, even in challenging times. It's a powerful tool that fuels your inner strength and helps you navigate adversity with a positive outlook. Number 10, embrace continuous learning. Seneca's philosophy of daily improvement implies a commitment to learning. Are you seeking knowledge and skills that can help you grow and adapt? Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, and every bit of knowledge gained makes you more adaptable and resilient in a rapidly changing world. The world is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and staying static is not an option. Embrace continuous learning, whether it's acquiring new skills, reading, or seeking out new experiences. By doing so, you'll equip yourself with the tools and knowledge needed to thrive in an ever-changing landscape. Number 11, embrace vulnerability. Vulnerability is often seen as a weakness, but Seneca would remind us that embracing our vulnerability is a display of courage. It's the willingness to admit our imperfections and confront our fears. Think about a situation where you hesitated to be vulnerable because you were afraid of judgment or rejection. Seneca's lesson is this: vulnerability is the path to genuine human connection and personal growth. When you allow yourself to be vulnerable, you invite authenticity into your life, which in turn deepens your relationships and fosters personal resilience. Number 12. Cultivate resilience through adversity. Seneca's life was marked by adversity, and he became a shining example of resilience. He believed that adversity is not an obstacle, but a teacher. Consider the setbacks or challenges you've faced. Instead of viewing them as setbacks, see them as opportunities for growth. Seneca's wisdom teaches us that every adversity, no matter how daunting, is an opportunity to become stronger and wiser. It's in the crucible of hardship that we refine our character and develop the resilience needed to face life's uncertainties. Number 13. Practice the art of reflection. Seneca was a proponent of self-reflection. He believed that taking time each day to reflect on your thoughts, actions, and decisions is a crucial step in self-improvement. How often do you pause to reflect on your day, your choices, and your goals? Seneca's lesson is clear. Reflection is the compass that guides your journey of self-discovery. By regularly examining your life, you gain insight into your strengths, weaknesses, and areas where growth is needed. It's through reflection that you can make deliberate changes and progress toward becoming your best self. Number 14. Cultivate a robust mindset. Seneca emphasized the importance of mindset in shaping our lives. Your thoughts have the power to influence your actions and ultimately your destiny. Consider the narratives that play in your mind. Are they positive and empowering, or are they filled with self-doubt and negativity? Seneca's wisdom encourages us to cultivate a resilient mindset. It's about training your mind to focus on solutions rather than problems, opportunities instead of obstacles. When you adopt a resilient mindset, you become better equipped to face adversity with grace and determination. Number 15. Live in alignment with your values. Seneca was a strong advocate for living in alignment with one's values. Your values are the guiding principles that define who you are and what you stand for. Think about the values that matter most to you. Are your daily actions and decisions aligned with those values? Seneca's lesson is this: when you live in harmony with your values, you live with authenticity and purpose. You become a person of integrity, and your life gains a sense of meaning and fulfillment. It's through this alignment that you build a resilient foundation for navigating life's challenges. So there you have it. Timeless lessons inspired by the great Seneca, presented with a contemporary perspective. These principles have the power to transform your life and make you better at everything you do. It's not about being perfect. It's about progress and continuous growth. I challenge you to take these lessons to heart, apply them in your daily life, and become the best version of yourself. I want to express my sincere gratitude for your time and attention. If you found value in this discussion and these principles, I encourage you to take a moment to like and subscribe to the video. By doing so, you not only support the content, but also become part of a community dedicated to continuous learning and growth. Your engagement empowers us to keep sharing valuable insights